In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and play BeamNG.drive on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open any web browser and search for Epic Games. Click on the official Epic Games website. This platform allows you to download and play a variety of PC games, including BeamNG.drive. Step 2. Before searching for the game, make sure you sign in to your Epic Games account. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to create. Use the search bar to look for BeamNG.drive. Click on the game from the search results. Scroll down to see the minimum and recommended system requirements to make sure your PC can run the game smoothly. Then scroll back up and click on the download button to download the Epic Games. Step 4. And once the launcher is downloaded, go ahead and install it. For installation, open the Epic Games launcher. You'll see a dashboard. Click on Library and make sure you're signed into the same Epic Games account. Step 5. Now search again for BeamNG.drive inside the launcher. Click Buy Now, Epic Games Balance, pick Rewards, credit card, PayPal, or any other available payment method to purchase the game. Once purchased, the game will appear in your library and you can download and start playing right away. And that's it. That's how you can download and play BeamNG.drive on your PC or laptop in just a few easy steps.